So I want to know what you have for our fans out there, and that's the street. And Your Excellency, I'll please plead with you that, you see, when you want to, respond to what I'm saying for today, and there's people out there on the streets, just say it in pidgin small for me. Maybe
the waiting you say. The thing be say, me, where are the politics? The thing where they my heart, no, it be the people are where they suffer for the country. It be where they my heart. Me, I be patron of Lepers Aid Ghana. Me then lepers, we they eat, we they drink, because they want help lepers in Ghana. Me, I be farm laborer before, by day worker. I be taxi driver before. I be cleaner before. Yeah. So I say I know how people they suffer before. So when you see me, I be a patron also of Mother Teresa's Soup Kitchen, Christ the King Church, looking after street children. Me and Father Campbell, we they do that sort of work. So my heart is there, the street. It is the street. The thing where they do all, say half of it help the people. So one of the things where you see, say, okay, free education come, it help. Digitalization do they help plenty. Because when they your mobile phone top, nobody will ask you bribe. You don't have to know anybody. Be so. You can apply for anything, they get up right on your mobile phone. So digital, it help everybody. Be so. And me, I come government, I sabi the thing we are going to do, we are going to help everybody.